Is your home at risk of flooding? You may not think so, but floods are the most common and costly natural disaster in our country. Bottom line, where it can rain, it can flood. Getting to know your area is getting to know your flood risk. A good place to start is FEMA's Flood Insurance Rate Map, or FERM. These maps show the flood risk in areas near potential flood sources like rivers, lakes, and coastlines. They represent areas ranging from high risk to low risk, sometimes referred to as flood zones. Everyone lives in an area that can flood, but the level of risk from one area to another differs. Even though flooding is more frequent or severe in high-risk flood areas, flooding also occurs in lower-risk flood areas. Look at this house, built at grade, just outside of the high-risk area. If floodwaters extend beyond the edge of the high-risk area, this house could be at even greater risk of flood damage than these elevated houses in the high-risk area. Lines on a map won't stop a flood. Or maybe your house is behind a levee or a dam. You might assume you have little to no risk of flooding. But levees and dams can't completely eliminate risk. There are also risks in urban areas. Water can't penetrate concrete or asphalt, causing intense rain or floodwaters to flow over those surfaces to lower elevations, possibly your home. As development increases around you, less land is available to absorb rainfall, increasing runoff and potentially your flood risk. Understanding your flood risk is more than just lines on a map. Being conscious of your environment and what it means for your flood risk is an important step to prepare for a flood. If you believe you're in a high-risk area, regardless of your flood zone, flood insurance can be a smart investment to protect your home and livelihood. Visit FEMA's Flood Map Service Center and contact your local floodplain manager to better understand your flood risk. Contact your insurance agent or company, or visit floodsmart.gov for more information about flood insurance and the best options for you.